Hey, it's Jason from Trillium West. Today we are hanging out in the backyard of my newest listing, 575 Commonwealth Crescent. Less than 5 minutes from the highway, less than a 5-minute walk from Williamsburg Town Centre. This place is gorgeous. Let's go take a look. As you enter the home, you will be immediately drawn to the open concept main floor. The bright kitchen has everything you'll need. New stainless steel appliances and a sit-in island make meal prep and hosting a breeze. The large living room is perfect for lounging with family and features a 3-pane sliding door to the large deck and rear yard. On the second level, you'll love the large bright bedrooms, including a massive master with walk-in closet and ensuite privilege. The second floor landing is also a great place for that new work from home station. The freshly finished basement is perfect for anyone seeking that extra bit of living space. Modern finishes, a second full bathroom, and large egress windows, this space is incredibly versatile and can be whatever you need it to be. Last but certainly not least is the backyard. With deck, pergola, gas barbecue hookup, you won't be able to get enough of the outdoors. The deep 150-foot landscaped lot is perfect for playtime with the family, hanging out with the neighbors, all while being low maintenance. There's so much to see. Be sure to book your private showing at 575 Commonwealth Crescent today.